Can you say mommy?
Bye-bye.
Can you say Bubba?
Bye-bye.
Can you say Juliet?
Yeah.
Can you say Abuelita?
Yeah.
Can you say Papa?
Bye-bye.
Can you say Grandma?
Bye-bye.
Can you say Uncle Lee?
Gee.
Can you say a Nat Nat?
Nana.
Can you say Levi?
Ice.
Can you say Levi?
Ice. Ice.
Okay, all done, thanks. Can you say Levi?
Yeah.
Say night night.
Nana.
You say night night? Night night. Can you blow a kiss? Yeah.
Then we can say snow.
Can you say snow?
No.
Levi, can you say snow?
No.
Snow.
No.
Alright. Thanks, that was fun.